Hi, this is Anne with My Service Depot. In this video, we're going to learn how to send prospects from Smart Service to the CRM application Routzy. To begin, I'm going to select Contacts. Inside of my contacts, I can search to see if our new lead is already in our database or if we need to enter them as a new prospect. We'll enter in Ben's name here. Click Enter, and we'll see that he's not listed. Selecting New and New Prospect, I can now create him to send him over to my sales rep. We'll go ahead and enter in Ben's name, click OK. And inside of his profile, we'll start entering his contact information, such as his phone number, his email, and his address. Before we leave this screen, we'll also want to select from our rep dropdown which salesperson will be receiving this contact. Selecting the initials here will dispatch this to the appropriate Routzy device. Next, we can enter notes about this contact. What are they looking for? Anything special about this prospect or this lead? Next, we're going to select our Locations Jobs tab and add a new job. This is where we'll create the appointment for our estimate. And inside of the estimate screen, we'll see that our information pulled over from the main contact. Again, we'll want to make sure that the rep that will be creating the estimate out in the field is listed here. Next, we're going to select Scheduling. I'm going to use the Scheduling wand to see when we have time for this estimate. We'll see that Wednesday is available, so we'll go ahead and left click and drag to select the time. Select Save, and now we have an appointment for Avery to go out and perform the estimate out in the field. Within a matter of minutes, this will be available inside of Routzy. Inside of Routzy, your salesperson will want to hit sync at the top right in order to receive the newly dispatched prospect. From there, we'll click Welcome and select Contacts. This will take us to our contact directory. We'll see Ben Simmons is now listed. If we click on Ben's name, this will open up his profile where I'll be able to see his contact information, the customer notes that we entered, as well as the proposal that we scheduled. Clicking into the proposal, we'll be able to select to add our items, quantities, and rates to start building this estimate. Clicking on the plus sign will open up my item list. From there, I can select the individual services and products that we wish to include. We'll go ahead and add a few items here. Once I've entered my information, I can even have Ben sign directly on the estimate if he agrees to the price that we're quoting. We'll click Sign. Using his finger or a stylus, he can enter that directly in Routzy. If I click the Send method, I can also select either preview, print, or email this proposal directly to Ben or anybody else that needs to receive a copy. Once I'm done, we'll click Done. This will take us back to the profile for Ben. I can also add additional activities. We'll go ahead and select a follow-up call. We'll schedule this for next week. That way, if I haven't heard back from him to close this deal, I can give him a call and it'll be on my calendar as well. We'll enter a reason for our follow-up, click Done, and we'll now see that follow-up listed in his profile. To send this back to the office, I'll simply tap Back, and then we'll want to sync again to push our information from Routzy back to Smart Service. In a matter of minutes, this updated information will be available in Smart Service. We'll see my new follow-up schedule as a reminder on the calendar, and if I open up the proposal, we'll be able to see those added line items. For more tips and tricks, follow us at smartservice.com.